much tire in the front.
That's it? I don't even think you got the sound out.
Yeah, I don't think it sounds crunchy, but it ain't doing nothing. Dang, Bojangles. I thought you had, like, you ain't getting no more raid. Like, you all the way at the top of your job, man. Ain't no next level for you. You gonna be the CEO next or what? You just gonna stay supervisor? I got one of my people on here, man. They be, yeah, Bojangles. He be instructing the brother to do everything, man. That's my probation officer. I call him my probation officer of my chat, man. He on everything. Hey, don't do, hey, you need to, hey, he directing like a motherfucker. Man, he got the front end all the way up in the air, y'all. Oh, he ain't got no helmet on. Oh, okay. They done pushed him back. No helmet. Let me see what this thing. Oh, this that GT350. I think my live be buffering every hour or something for like 3 to 5 seconds. Twisted Soul, is it still 3 to 5 seconds messing up, or is it lasting longer now? I don't know what it is. I done deleted the app, put it back. I got good service. Okay. I think I want this sound, man. I like the way these sound. Okay. Cause the mods is sugar daddy, so pay up. Well, they drink a long time to drop a tree up here. I don't like that. Come on, man. He ain't gonna catch that rigger. Left lane for the win, y'all. He stayed out there on his ass. Yeah, man. We got Bojangles. Do you know the person that's above you? Do you want to go up some more? Or you content where you at with no extra? They burnt the old boy down. Dang, get it, man. Lookhouse Cricket Wireless Service, lost service. Try refreshing. I'm glad my Nightbot's smart enough for that. But what y'all, hey man, I'm alright. What y'all think that is? Like, why everybody else live don't be doing that? Oh, he better stop. Oh. Move to a different spot. Okay. I'm going back to the left side. I got all good signal. Hey, yeah, that's what I need right there, man. What's that, the Ronin 4D?
That's the Ronin RCS.
RCS?
RCS, yeah.
Okay. Really messing up. Yeah, hey man, when you finish, I wanna, if you don't mind, I wanna hold it, man. I ain't never held it.
Yeah, let me do this one.
Yeah. I wanna wait until after you. Yeah, they say your arm must be ripped to hold that for a couple hours. It's ready now? Ooh, that more heavy. God dang.
Yeah, I would use two hands. That's why I use some two hands.
Oh, you gotta use two?
Yeah.
Ooh. This thing heavy, y'all.
You can go like up and down.
Ah, man. This weigh what, about 10 pounds, 15 pounds?
Camera weighs 6. So it can weigh up to like any kind of DSLR that you need.
Ooh, that thing, that heavy.
Hey, if you want a reel, you know how some people do some reels?
Yeah. Oh, snap. I don't know what happened on that one, y'all. Yeah, they said that's a nice gimbal, man. That's nice. What camera is that? It got HDMI and everything?
Yes, sir. It's a Canon Rebel SL3. And it's able to shoot 4K, 60 frames.
Oh, okay. Dang.
It's on the side.
Okay, y'all. Let me see.
It's not at the bottom.
My bad, y'all, for the little buffering. You understand me? They got a little crowd out here. Excuse me. He got that 4K. Yeah, I don't even need 4K. All I need is a camera that do 1080p. Look out.
I need 2 more minutes. I was
Two more.
It wasn't hot yet, but
I thought, man, I said that. I said that.
I'm doing 160 easy, but it's
Man, I said that. I said, man, he must needed them 4 minutes, man. He needed 2 more minutes, y'all. I knew y'all heard me say he must need it.
I make this facial expression.
With G-Dog, I was really upset with G-Dog. He was smiling.
They say G-Dog do that all the time.
G-Dog was
Oh, good.
But yeah, that 2 more minutes for maximum.
I need the 2 more minutes, man,
Maximum.
to turn red.
Because they didn't want to let you wait.
It was,
You can go get it?
Yeah, because Chuck want me. He said he saw that. See, it's a bait. It's a bait though, because they say, oh yeah, we're gonna whoop it.
You're going to get it.
No, she hot and ready now.
Yeah. Like a little Caesar pizza.
Hey, make sure y'all follow EV Smoke, man, on YouTube.
EV Smoke, man. Y'all check them out.
ATX.
EV Smoke ATX, man.
EV